प्रिय मित्रों नमस्कार। मैं डॉक्टर जयंत कुमार डी गुप्ता, श्रीमती केशरबाई लाहौटी महाविद्यालय अमरावती महाराष्ट्र। आज आपके लिए एक नई सीरीज़ इनकम टैक्स पर इनकम फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी का MCQs 1 लेकर के उपस्थित हूँ। आइए आज हम इनकम टैक्स पर इनकम फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी से संबंधित कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। ये रहा आज का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। इन इनकम टैक्स एक्ट 1961 provisions of income from house property are in section A 9 to 16, B 22 to 27, C 22 to 27, and C 35 to 45, and D 123 to 194. So here correct answer is B 22 to 27. Question number 2. Who is the assessee in course of income from house property? A. Employer, B. Owner of property, C. Tenant, and D. None of these. So here correct answer is B. Owner of property. Question number 3. Under income from house property, income is charged on the basis of A. Annual value, B. Standard rent, C. Municipal rent, and D. None of these. So here correct answer is A. Annual value. Question number 4. Subletting of house is charged under A. Income from business, B. Income from house property, C. Income from other sources, and D. All of these. So here correct answer is C. Income from other sources. Question number 5. Paying guest accommodation is chargeable under the head A. Income from house property, B. Income from other sources, C. Profit and gains of business profession, and D. None of these. So here correct answer is C. Profit and gains of business profession. Question number 6. Deductions are available from annual value of house property are A. 30% of annual value, B. interest on loan taken in respect of house property, and C. A and B both, and D. None of these. So here correct answer is C. A and B both. Question number 7. Essential conditions for any income to be charged under income from house property. A. Property must consist of building. B. The assessee must be the owner of such house property. C. Property may be used for any purpose, but it should not be used by owner for the purpose of business, and D. All the above. So here correct answer is D. All the above. Question number 8. unreleased rent shall not form part of annual value if the condition is satisfied. A. The tenancy is bona fide. B. The defaulting tenant has vacated or steps have been taken to compel him to vacate the property. C. The defaulting tenant is not in acquisition on any other property of assessee. And D. All of these. So here correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 9. Which income from house property is not charged to tax? A. Income from farmhouse. B. House property income of political party. C. Property held for charitable purpose. And D. All the above. So here correct answer is D. All the above. Question number 10. Municipal valuation or fair rent, whichever is higher, is known as A. Standard rent, B. Expected rent, C. Marginal rent, and D. None of these. So here correct answer is B. Expected rent. मित्रों, आपको यह सीरीज़ अवश्य पसंद आएगी और आप हमारे नए सीरीज़ को देखने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें, जिससे नोटिफिकेशन के साथ नए वीडियो आपको स्वतः ही मिल सकें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो।